Hey everyone! So, we don't have a vlog for today. May bisita lang si Louie dito sa bahay. And so, I just decided to just spend some time and I made this Japanese dinner tonight. So, we've got sushi, we got sashimi. It's nice. We'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Yeah. Good morning! It's a brand new day. Ang ganda ng araw. Wow. And of course, yung aming always present na sampayin every day. And si Louie doon, look. Nagsa-sunbathing. Yan. Enjoy na enjoy siya dyan. Actually, nagbabantay siya sa mga ibon. Tapos sinatahulan niya. Wala siyang tigil. And actually, we're quite worried of our neighbors. Maybe they're quite irritated with him, always barking. So there you go. We've done so much. Ronald has done a lot. Actually, he's just gonna finish a few of the ones on the sides. It's actually quite convenient that the polycarbonate didn't arrive, because we don't really want to stock them here under the heat of the sun. So by the time it arrives, we'll just have to put it right away. And it's just right timing. You know, everything happens for a reason. Right, and so today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plant some of the snow peas. I'm gonna take you with me later on. Snow peas will go under their raised beds and together with courgette, and we're actually gonna direct sow carrots today as well. So that would be great. So my friend yesterday came because I don't have courgettes or zucchini. They call it zucchini. I don't have that, and then she came yesterday with my cousin as well, si Bro Cesar and sis Ayoni. They came yesterday and they gave us some courgettes or zucchini, and they also gave us a few seedlings of onions is ready to be transplanted. So that is lovely. I'll take you on later on, and for now I'm just gonna get ready. I've put on my sunblock because it's very hot, and just to let you guys know, New Zealand sun is way harsh than any other countries I've been to. So we lived for a while at Singapore before, and iba yung sun nila dito. It's really harsh, like really harsh. Even the time when we went back to the Philippines in 2017, and we've lived here for a few years before going back home that time, I can tell the difference, that it's really harsh. So painful. It's burning. That's the best perfect term. So always put on your sunblock. Yun. Right. And yeah, I'll just get ready. Ayan guys, so we're gonna put some because we're gonna do like a trellis for the snow peas. So a while ago, Ronald, you saw him cut some wood, and he actually did it this way as well on the edge. So he's just gonna hammer it down to the ground and then put some screws or nails on them. But it's much stronger, and also is it will serve as a brace as well for the garden bed. Yeah, there you go. So he's just measuring. So ideally we'll have to have like 20 to 25 centimeters distance from your soil to your net.
This far away?
Yeah, should be okay.
Okay na?
Yeah. So, yan yung gagawin kong spacing. Naglagay ako ng courgette sa gilid kasi ano naman sila eh. They're fine to be with each other. Yan. Kasi in life, meron talagang hindi pwede sa isa't isa. So sila, companion plants sila. And so actually, together with peas, pwede mo ang zucchini and then pwede ang carrots. So bala ko maglagay ng carrots sa ilalim. And so, companion din ng carrots is pwede ka din maglagay ng onion. Gusto ng carrots actually ang peas na nakalagay dyan, naka-trellis ng ganyan kasi sometimes yung shade ng sun is maganda din sa kanila. Shade from the sun. So, medyo may shade siya. Nangungungo ako guys kasi I'm not feeling very well. Yung throat ko is parang I tested yesterday and I'm not positive for COVID, so that's good. Yan. So I'm just gonna put on the screen later on, and para later this afternoon ready na siya. Inuunti-unti ko din sila nang lagay dyan. Kasi kailangan mo din i-climatize yung halaman mo eh. Kasi lagi silang nasa loob, nasa labas. Pero they've been out for like, sorry, maingay si Ronald. They've been out for like 2-3 weeks na labas-pasok namin. So they're quite accustomed to the weather of the windy Taranaki. So that's good. And yeah, I'll just update you a bit later on. I'm just gonna cut the trellis, the screen. Pwede natin i-cut kasi measure ko na kanina yung So gagamit lang ako ng staple gun. Mahirap siya. Mabigat siya sa kamay.
Ikaw mag-video ako mag-ano. Ako mag-ganyan. Asan ba?
Mahirap siya eh. Hello! Hi, Luffy! Ayan, so nilagyan ko lang ng lettuce yung paligid ng ng courgette. Actually, to sila mga maliliit lang na lettuce. Para lang to help lang to cover the ground for moisture. And then, companion din naman yung onion sa courgettes. Dapat lang may spacing talaga na maayos. Ayan. So, that looks interesting. Ang cute niya. So, yung mga pula na sa likod, yung mga green na sa harap. Hey there! Also, naglagay din ako ng carrots dito. I nag-direxo lang ako. So, actually, I saw this before sa YouTube. And, Sis Ioni also guaranteed na it works. So, maglagay ka ng seeds. Yan, may seeds dyan. Konting-konti lang kasi it has to be. So, smaller seeds needs to be like way up above the ground, hindi yung sobrang lalim kasi mahihirapan silang mag-sprout. So maglagay lang ako dyan and then binasa ko ng water, lagyan mo ng plank to keep it moist kasi in germination kasi ng seeds kailangan siya ng moist but not really like very wet, pero it needs to be moist yung soil mo. Ayan, there you go, we are done. Ayan, it's looking actually very nice. Ayun, masaya ako. We made some progress today. And we've sown some, as I said a while ago, some carrots. And on the other side, ayan, may carrots din doon. Those are different type of carrot, different variety. This is, what do you call this? So iba-iba yung color niya. Rainbow. So my yellow, my purple, ayan, so it's a surprise crop actually. And over there is the market, they call it the market something, and then bilog siya na carrots, ganyan. So I wonder how that looks. And naglagay din ako ng spring onion doon sa isang side kasi ang bala ko malakas kami sa spring onion eh. Ayan, so I'll show you the whole of what we did today. There you go. We've done quite a lot. Ayan. So for dinner, we're just gonna do barbecue. Bumili ako ng coleslaw cup and some salad. And then, nag-marinate ako ng meat. And then, sausages para sa mga bata din. Ayan. There you go. Great fun today. Ang saya-saya.
Galing ba ito sa garden mo?
Hmm?
Galing to sa garden?
Hindi. Galing sa bahay safe.